We've been looking for a shovel that our 4-year-old could grab and could use while he's standing, because we've had these little shovels for him that he has to sit down using, and the only other long ones we found were these plastic ones from Theo Klein or other brands. So this actual wooden handle and metal shovel was a great find for us. We've been wanting to do more in the garden, like plant a vegetable garden, and our son, he just loves to help. So in the planning of all this, we decided to buy this Bigjigs shovel for him. Now the wood is very, very sturdy. It's attached to the shovel head with a very sturdy screw, and it's quite colorful, so it's nice to look at. It's great if you want to get your kid outside more, and especially if they like helping you in the garden. Now they warn it's not suitable for children under 3 years, and I think that's quite fair because the tip is quite sharp and made of a very sturdy material. So your kids should be responsible enough to use this appropriately. Now we've taken this anywhere from to the beach and also for digging in our yard, but I think you have to be careful using this at the beach as not to get it too wet because of the wood. So I think this is best for children between 3 and 6 years old.